It's your move, bird. You want to move the night? Oh, you want to move that night? Alright. Alright, so you touch the night. Now you move, bird. Okay. I want to move the pawn like that. Go ahead, bird. It's your move. People out there, do yourself a favor. Don't ever play your bird chess. He's a move hog. You're still studying the board. Alright, bird. Anytime you're ready. Where's he going? Oh, he's looking at the bishop, huh? Going at night. Well, what's your move, bird? Can't move my pieces, bird. Get back to your seat, bird. Get back to you. Get. Don't forfeit, bird. Think. Think what you want to do. Think. Oh, that's it, bird. What do you want to do? Come on, it's your move. Alright, you want to move your queen? Alright, queen. What am I going to do here? I'm going to move this. Take your pawn. Go ahead, bird. Okay, move. I guess you could. Moving this pawn here? Okay. What's your move? Let me see how I want to do. Oh, move here, bird. Go ahead. Oh, okay, you gonna move that? You can't move this piece, bird. You can't move it. Read the rule book. It's blocked. Where you going now, huh? You mad? Okay, you gonna move that? Okay, you gotta knock it down. But you want to move it. Okay. Go two with that, alright? That's a pretty good move, bird. Oh, you only go one. Okay. I'm gonna take with the knight, bird. Threaten your queen, bird. Queen of your rook. Okay, bird, your move. Don't play with a bird. Oh, we were touching the king. Now you wanna move the king? I give up, bird. You take too long to move. Bye.